Hi guys, it's Moto Lifestyle here. Welcome again to my YouTube channel and thank you so much guys for always coming here to watch my videos. Well, it's another day. This is the second video. For those ones who watched my first video, as you know, here in the USA, we are under the weather. We are sick. What do you mean? The snow. We are sick from the snow, guys. We are locked inside. I'm telling you, we have been locked outside for a whole week. Now, I yesterday I made a video for you on my backyard, and now today I'm making a video for you in the front yard. As you can tell, look at the snow, guys. Oh my God. We cannot go anywhere. The snow is everywhere. Right, that is my driveway. Look at my cactus, guys. My cars are buried in the snow. We can literally walk nowhere. We cannot go even shopping. We cannot go to work. Oh my goodness. If you did not prepare yourself, like you didn't do a grocery, you don't have a fridge, you did stock. You can have a fridge but you didn't have anything in it. A freezer, thankfully I have a freezer. I have a cup of food in there in the freezer. It's literally we're eating from the freezer. So I'm walking through my driveway. You can tell the inches and inches of snow as I'm stepping out, guys. It's freezing, it's cold, but I am determined to make this video for you so that you can see. Look under my cars. Oh my gosh. The snow, we are buried. Now I'm walking down the street to kind of show you how the road, like the main road, looks like. I am digging down there to show you how deep and deep this snow is, guys, and it's very cold. I was looking around my neighborhood. I could barely see nothing. The only thing I can see was snow and the cars that are buried inside the snow. I am trying to put my foot. Look at that. The moment I dig down the snow, underneath there's water dripping down the streets. Look at my streets. It's covered with the snow, guys. Oh, well. This is just the streets. If you go to the roads, I was calling a couple of people who are stuck on the road. So my friends, people who are going uh grocery shopping, people who are going to work, they were stuck at work. For example, if you go to work and for those ones who work shift, as you know, here in the US we have different kinds of shifts. If you go to work and the snow um cut you there, you are going to sleep. I already have a family members or friends who are already sleeping at work. Oh my goodness, people are terrified here. People are stuck, people are sleeping in hotels. And when I was watching news, guys, I saw homeless people being frozen. Actually, people are being frozen in the snows and people are dying. That is the worst thing that can happen. Oh my gosh. I'm so mad with this, Guys, I'm cold. I hope you enjoyed that little clip that I showed you. My nose is cold. My hands are freezing. I need to rush inside so I can make coffee. But I'm glad you guys pray for us. We hopefully it's been a week since the snow came, but I'm pretty sure the coming the new week we are going to be okay. But I'm praying for all people to be okay wherever they are in this snow, and hopefully we will be okay. So I need to go inside. I kind of like words to say when I remember this snow, guys. I'm here just sitting, doing nothing, completely eating and sleeping and watching movies and and watching TV and watching news and news and news and drinking coffee and coffee and coffee. That is what I can do because, hey, I am not going to work. I am inside the house and we're just eating and chilling and doing some chores in the house. So I don't know, guys. So let me go in the kitchen and I'm grabbing a coffee. Oh my goodness. I'm sipping that coffee like nothing because I was frozen. I was literally frozen and shaking, and my nose was cold. And I was like, why did I even go outside? But because I wanted to make you a video or content so that you can see how the weather is, that's why I decided to go outside and make this content for you so that at least you can enjoy watching Umoto Lifestyle. As you know, Moto Lifestyle, I'll always update you if there's anything. Even though I am busy, I try to keep up with this channel. That's why I tell you subscribe. You never know when I'm gonna upload the video. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please make sure you subscribe. Enjoy here. There are plenty of videos, beauty videos here, locks, hair, beauty, everything, traveling. We do everything in this channel. So Moto shares different content here. So I'm enjoying my Milo with the biscuits. I am having a blast. So I wanted you guys to update you what's going on with Umoto lifestyle. I'm showing you different kinds of tea that I have. Tea leaves. Yeah, actually that is tea leaves. That is what I drink. Sometimes in Milo I have cocoa. So this is what we're doing here in the house when the snow is surround we surrounded with the snow. And what I'm showing you right there, this is dry milk. This dry milk is a non-fat milk, and actually what you do with this milk, you just boil water and just put a couple or 1 or 2 spoons and mix with whatever tea you want or coffee or Milo, and then enjoy. That's the kind of thing that I love to enjoy when I am cold. Hopefully, guys, you enjoyed this video and make sure you subscribe as I told you before because Moto Lifestyle has plenty and plenty of content. As you know, I'm little busy right now, but I'm trying so much, guys, to make content for you so that you can enjoy in this channel as we have enjoyed. For those ones who are watching and subscribing and commenting, I thank you so much. You are the reason why I keep uploading this video because I know somebody somewhere is enjoying this video around the world. And I'm so glad that this channel is being watched from people of different world. When I'm looking at my analytics and I see where people are watching these videos from, oh my God, people are watching from around the world, and I thank God for that. And thank you so much, guys, for keeping up with Umoto Lifestyle, for taking easy with Umoto Lifestyle. As you know, I will keep uploading videos for you. So stick here, share the content, invite people, tell them about Umoto Lifestyle. There are plenty of videos in here. See you later.